Okay, so I bought this engine stand from Harbor Freight. That hole's a little bit too big, quite a bit too big, for this thing to fit in there. You can see there's lots of room there. So I'm going to make an adapter or something to get this thing to hold the VW engine to fit. So my thoughts are, I went over to the hardware store and I bought a couple of these. So my thought is that I can take this, put some bolts through it, and have it sit there and hold that in the center. So I'm going to drill this out and we'll see if that works. So I'm drilling these out for 3/8, and that's what I figure will work the best. So that's 3/8 drill bit. We're going to set that in there and drill out. Whoops. There's one and here's the other one. So my thought is, if I get all 4 bolts on there, that'll hold that on, and then I can run that centerpiece through there. I'm just test fitting this portion of it. That way I don't have to weld anything to the stand or any of that. And I have another engine stand, and I've got a motor for my Mustang on there. But I'm thinking that this is going to work out just fine. Yeah, that's going to work perfect. So once that's tightened up, I bought locking nuts to hold that on there. The only other issue I know I got to ream this out a little bit, because this thing won't quite go in there. But it's super close, so it's just going to take a little bit of clearancing, and that'll go right in there and it'll be perfect for me. It's long enough, and with that collar that's on here, that should keep me about like so, and it'll be far enough off of there that I can still twist it and such over here on the end. And then I'll just drill a hole here in the top, either drill another hole or put a nut on that one. I haven't decided yet, so that I can hold that thing in there while I'm flipping it around. Okay, so here's my finished product. I haven't tightened these up yet because I wanted to see how it fit with these turned around from the other part of the video, and this is better. I had to ream the center out on both of them. I used a Dremel tool for that, but yeah, it's perfect. I do need to do something on the top. I'm probably going to drill another hole and put a bolt so that I can put this little twisty dude in here. This is what came with that with this here originally, but rather than weld it on there, I have welders and all that, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to be able to put it back to normal when I got done with it. So anyway, need to do something with this here. I do have quite a bit of room back here. I think I'm going to put a washer just to kind of hold it back, and then put some sort of a pin to go through there so it doesn't pull out like this. I mean, chances are it's not going to pull out anyway, but I just like the idea of it. So, well, that's my modification to a cheap engine stand so I can hold my VW engine case. Hope this helps somebody out, and thanks for watching.